Wildlife with Lauren Travers.
Welcome to my channel. Today, we explore one of nature's most fascinating yet misunderstood creatures, the hyena. Are they just scavengers, or are they skilled hunters? Let's find out. Hyenas are carnivorous mammals belonging to the family Hyenidae. Despite their resemblance to wild dogs, they are more closely related to cats and mongooses. These resilient animals are found across Africa and some parts of Asia, adapting to various environments like savannas, grasslands, forests, and even deserts. There are 4 different species of hyenas, each with unique characteristics. Spotted hyena, Crocuta crocuta, the largest and most well-known species. They are skilled hunters and live in large clans. Striped hyena, hyena, mostly nocturnal and scavengers. They have a striped coat and are found in North Africa, the Middle East, and India. Brown hyena, Parahyena brunnea, the rarest species, living mainly in the deserts of southern Africa. Aardwolf Protels cristata. Unlike other hyenas, the aardwolf mainly eats termites instead of meat. Many people believe hyenas are just scavengers, but that's not true. Spotted hyenas, in particular, are excellent hunters. In fact, they hunt 60 to 80% of their own food. Their powerful bite allows them to crush bones and eat every part of their prey, leaving nothing to waste. Do you know? Hyenas have one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom, stronger than lions. And each hyena has a unique laugh, just like humans have unique voices. Unlike most predators, hyenas have a unique social system called a matriarchy. This means females are the leaders. In hyena clans, females are larger, stronger, and more dominant than males. The alpha female controls the group, and even the lowest-ranking female is above the highest-ranking male. Hyenas play a vital role in nature. As both hunters and scavengers, they help maintain balance in the ecosystem. They clean up carcasses, preventing the spread of disease, and compete with lions for food, making them key players in the African wilderness. Hyenas face several threats, including habitat loss, human conflict, and hunting. While the spotted hyena is not endangered, striped and brown hyenas are near threatened. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these amazing creatures. Hyenas are among the most misunderstood animals in the wild. They are intelligent, strong, and vital for our ecosystem. What do you think about hyenas? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting wildlife adventures.